Alright, so here's my Bryant air conditioner running in the thunderstorm, during a mild thunderstorm right now. It sounds a little bit worse. I'm not sure why. It's been sounding like that for quite a while now. Anyways, here it is running. It's got a Copeland scroll. And a Morse fan motor. It's from 2012, it's 2.5 ton. It's very cold and sweaty. I gotta get inside. It's starting to rain a little bit more. So yeah. The last video I made of it was in July, so I thought it was about time to make another video of it again. So yeah. Anyways, and this thing also got overgrown with vines too. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.